Hello everyone and hello Nanay. Una sa lahat, happy birthday and I hope you're having a wonderful time today. Um, it makes me sad that we're not there to see you or spend time with you on your birthday. But I'm sure you know that we'll see each other very soon. Alright? Um, First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who's there and everyone who made this possible. You know who you are. I won't mention your name, but just to mention a few. Sorry. Um, Trini, Angie, Meg, Ateng, I've heard and all of you guys who have been very kind and generous to organize this for Nana. Nay, medyo nasa 80 na pala tayo, no? Oh. Pero don't worry, hindi naman kayo mukhang 80. Lahat naman tayo eh. Hindi naman tayo nagmumukhang matanda eh. I think the secret to it is staying happy, keeping a healthy and open mind. And I think that's most important. And I hope you can still come here and spend time with us. And if you can't do that, then I guess we'll just have to be there with you. Okay, I won't make this very long. I'm sure there are a lot more things you can do on your birthday than watch this video. But I hope you have a nice time today, spending it with family. And I wish you a very happy birthday, and I love you. See you soon. Bye.